नहीं, आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं.
सफल हो गया सर मैं. I'm going to tell my mom this. All right, sir, but on a very, very serious note, this seems like yet another performance of a lifetime. What made you do this film, sir? सर, आप
सब बाकी लोग हैं, उनसे पूछिए पहले.
जरूर.
No, Shujit and me have been together for a very long time. बहुत सारे कैंपेन्स हमने साथ में किए और तब शुजीत एक फ़िल्म बनाना चाह रहे थे. उन्होंने मेरे साथ एक फ़िल्म बनाई जो कि बन के तैयार बैठी हुई, अभी तक रिलीज़ नहीं हुई. उसकी एक अलग कहानी है. फिर उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि ये फ़िल्म करनी है और इसीलिए हम साथ में आ गए. और जब दीपिका हो, इरफान हो और सोनी साथ में हो तो मैं तो एकदम मंत्रमुग्ध हो गया.
Thank you very much, sir. Sujita, I would like to ask you, after sperm donation in Wiki Donor, seems like we have constipation in Piku. I mean, motion से ही emotion. ये क्या है?
हेलो चेक. आई थिंक ये तो सच्चाई है कि नहीं, हम सबके लिए एवरी मॉर्निंग. सो तो हाँ, इट्स नॉट ए फिल्म ऑन अबाउट कॉन्स्टिपेशन, बट हाँ, इस सब्जेक्ट को इस फिल्म में काफ़ी डिस्कस किया गया है. सो आई थिंक वही आपको देखने को मिलेगा. एंड या दैट्स इट.
Thank you, sir. दीपिका, आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे. Piku seems to be a lot in trouble with her baba's bowel movements. जब हमने ट्रेलर में देखा है. So, how did it feel like playing this character, the girl next door, over here?
I think the first time Shujit came and met me for this film, I remember saying yes to the film just based on one scene. He narrated one scene to me and I said, that's it, I'm on. I think for me, being Piku is a character that's very, very, very relatable. Piku as a character. And then of course there's the situations within the film that you'll see that I think every one of us will identify with, especially for girls who are working, you know, who also have parents, you know, you want to take care of them. I think women generally are born to multitask. I've said this earlier as well. So I think all the women will find it very, very relatable from Piku's point of view.
Thank you so much. इरफान सर, आपसे एक सवाल है. All sympathies to you, sir. जब हम देख रहे हैं, I'm sure all of us feel the same out here. But can you tell us, आप बता सकते हैं कि ये father daughter की जो ये जोड़ी है, कितनी crazy है?
I think जितनी आपको दिख रही है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा है. इससे ट्रेलर से उतना अंदाज़ा नहीं होगा आपको. एंड पिक्चर के लिए इन्होंने बहुत कुछ बचा के रखा है. और मेरी खुशनसीबी है कि मैं इन दोनों के बीच में फंसा. तो मेरा भी जर्नी इंटरेस्टिंग हो गया.
Thank you very much, sir. Can I please pass on the mic to Mr. NPC? So, my question to you is, you know, what made you pick this film, and also Sony's association and relationship with Mr. Bachchan, if you could put some light on that.
Our association goes back many years now. After many seasons of successful seasons of Kaun Banega Crorepati, the professional and emotional bond with Mr. Bachchan has strengthened every day, every year. And we are just taking this forward through this film. And when a project like this is presented to you, you can't say no. You have the best of directors. You have stalwarts like Mr. Bachchan, Irfan, Deepika. Such a beautiful story. How can you say no to a project like this? That's how I looked at it.
Absolutely, absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to the director, to the producers, and yes, of course, the star cast. Moving ahead, I'd also now media के लिए question and answer session open है. आप please अपना नाम लीजिए, आप किस media house से हैं वो बताइए और फिर अपना सवाल पूछिए please एक-एक करके.
This
दीपिका से दीपिकू.
But you did call me that on set.
Yes. I think ये नाम जो है, ये बहुत ही एक talented writer मेरे right में बैठी हैं जूही चतुर्वेदी. ये उन्हीं का लिखा हुआ film है. ये idea भी उन्हीं के दिमाग से आया था. So I think ये उन्हीं ने ये नाम दिया था, and I really liked it, and so that's why नाम Piku.
Hi Deepika, this is Ishan from News Express. This side. दीपिका आपसे जानना चाहता था कि इतनी सारी फिल्मों का प्रमोशंस आज तक हम लोगों ने देखा है, इतने सारे इनवाइट्स हमें आते हैं डे टू डे कि आप आइए, ट्रेलर लॉन्च है, लेकिन आपकी फिल्म का जो इनवाइट आया वो वाकई में अद्भुत था। एक वीडियो आया, मैसेज आया और उसने बताया कि फैमिली के साथ आइए। तो ये आइडिया किसका था पूरी तरीके से फिल्म प्रमोशंस का? क्योंकि कई जगह ऐसा आ रहा है कि आपका ये आइडिया था इस फिल्म को प्रमोशंस में।
I think somewhere we have all contributed in whatever way possible. I think it stems from the idea of the fact that the film itself is a very, very personal journey, you know, of Piku and Baba, and even in the moments that you see between the characters, I think it's more than the story, it's really about the characters. So even in terms of our communication, I think we've tried to keep it as intimate and as personal as possible. And this was one of the ideas that we came up with, and we hope all of you liked it.
दीपिका एंड अमित जी, आपके लिए सवाल है। आप दोनों की केमिस्ट्री हमने ऑन स्क्रीन तो देखी, बट इन रियल अगर हम बात करें, हाउ इज़ योर रिलेशन विथ योर डैड? एंड अमित सर, आपका रिलेशन कैसा है विथ योर डॉटर?
जी बहुत अच्छा है।
सब
जी बहुत अच्छा है। और फिल्म के दौरान ऐसा लगा कि जिस दिन हम सब की शूटिंग ख़त्म हो गई, ऐसा लगा कि ये परिवार जो है वो बिखर गया है, और बड़ा दुख हुआ हम सबको, कष्ट हुआ कि अरे अचानक हम लोग एक दूसरे से मिल नहीं पाएंगे। इस तरह का एक वातावरण बनता है हमारे सेट पे, और इस तरह का एक एटमॉस्फेयर रहा। ये आपको बता सकता है कि कितने नज़दीक हैं हम सब एक दूसरे के।
जी मैम, आपके सामने हियर योर लेफ्ट, अमित फ्रॉम दैनिक जागरण। जी मैम, इस स्टोरी का आइडिया मतलब ऐसे जहन में आया, और ऐसे अतरंगी किरदार आपके आसपास भी रहे हैं क्या?
कैसे आइडिया आया, ये कहाँ से आया ये तो नहीं मालूम सच में। जहाँ से सारे आइडियाज़ आते हैं सबके वो अच्छे अच्छे वहीं से आया होगा, लेकिन ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स सच में हैं, मेरे आसपास हैं, कुछ सुजीत के आसपास हैं, कुछ रॉनी के आसपास हैं। तो you know, when the idea came, उसके बाद this discussion, development of these characters, ऐसे एक बाबा, उनकी एक ऐसी लड़की, हमने आपने कई लोगों ने ऐसा देखा है कि there is a girl who is taking care of her father or mother. So you know, one knows these characters somewhere, somewhere from my own mind, somewhere borrowing from, you know, brainstorming sessions that we had together. Ultimately ऐसे अतरंगी character बन गए, and I like little humor in life. तो कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कॉन्स्टिपेशन भी हो, तभी।
Hi Deepika, Urvi here, towards your right. Hi.
Hi.
Deepika, this is the first time you would be playing a Bengali girl in the movie. What preparations did you make for the character? Was there anything specific you had to do?
I think when you're doing a film like Piku and Shujit Sarkar is your director, there's no escaping anything to do with Bengali. He's just I think for me that was my biggest learning, you know, to be surrounded by Bengalis. Juhi herself is not, but she's grown up. I remember chatting once. Huh? Okay. Yeah, I remember chatting once with her and asking her how come there was all, you know, this influence in the film. Having said that, Piku is still today's girl. You know, there is that influence of being a Bengali and of Calcutta, and having grown up there. Piku's grown up in Calcutta. But she's grown up, she's lived most of her life in Delhi. So I think it's just that little influence. And then you have a director who's, you know, he is a Bengali himself. So I think he was my teacher come director.
Hi guys, this is Prerna from Rajshri. Firstly, I would like to say that the trailer looked amazing. It was really very cute. And Deepika, my question is for you. You worked with Abhishek and with Amit ji. So who was a better co-star and why?
ये परिवार में आप लाज रख लेना बेटी, बाबा की लाज रख लेना, प्लीज।
Okay, let's put it this way. I think Abhishek's more. Actually, I can't even say that because he has an amazing sense of humor. What I was going to say is that Abhishek's more fun to work with, but I got to learn a lot from Amit ji. But the reverse can happen also. I think they're just too talented, father and son both.
Hi Deepika.
But I have to add to that and say that in the years that I've known Amitji, outside of work, you know, whenever we've met socially or they've called me over for Diwali or whatever, I think our chemistry just came to us very, very naturally. You know, I remember them mentioning once that I remind them of their daughter. And the way they have been protective of me is the way my parents are with me. You know, I think a lot has to do with your upbringing and things like that. So I think our chemistry that you will see in the film eventually is very, very organic.
Hi, Deepika.